Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring a modern Python runtime and isolated environment so dependencies don't collide. Install Python 3. 11 plus, enable pip, and create a venv for your first project. Once done, focus on mastering core syntax, variables, lists, dicts, loops, and functions, because these buildable blocks unlock real programs. Make sure to practice small scripts daily and write tests from the first day to reinforce correctness and habit formation. This accelerates growth more than passive reading. Once core skills are solid, move into architecture and tooling to scale your expertise. Study object-oriented design, async programming, type hints, and decorators so your code becomes predictable and reusable. Simultaneously adopt tooling, Black, Flake 8, MIPE, to maintain quality automatically, and integrate PyTest with CI to catch regressions early. Also, profile and optimize hotspots with cProfile and memory tools. Understanding where and why performance issues occur lets you make informed, minimal changes. You reach expert level by applying skills to production problems and by reading and contributing to others' code. Build complete apps, design clear APIs, and document decisions so future you and teammates move faster. Regularly refactor to reduce complexity, and practice code reviews to sharpen taste. If something breaks, reproduce the error reliably, isolate a minimal failing example, and step through with a debugger. Doing so reveals root causes quickly and prevents wasted guesses, which is the single most effective troubleshooting habit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.